Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Gamertag on Xbox app. So to do this, you first need to head over to the Xbox application, and if you don't already have this installed, you can download it for free on the App Store. Then click on your profile icon in the top left hand side, and then click on the cog icon to bring up the settings in the top right menu. Scroll right down to the bottom, and in the support and feedback section, you need to click on help topics, then select manage your account and profile, and scroll down and select how to change your Xbox Gamertag. Then we just need to scroll down to the section where it says ways to change your gamer tag. And from here, you need to select on the web. Now, in order to change your gamer tag, you just need to press the choose your new gamer tag button. And that's going to go ahead and take you over to the Microsoft website. And you may need to relog back into your Xbox account. Now, in this field here, just type in the new username that you want to use for your Xbox gamer tag. And once you are happy with the name, you can select check availability. If the gamer tag is available, then you'll be able to change it and it will show you what it will look like on the Xbox app. Now, do bear in mind, you're only able to change your Xbox gamer tag once for free, and then after that, you will likely have to pay for it. So, because this is my first time ever changing it, I can just select change gamer tag and finally confirm by pressing change gamer tag, and it's as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.